Hi everyone, today's little tip will be how to get broken glass up from a carpet. Is that the right way? Is that what you say? Up from a carpet? Either way, you're getting it out of the carpet in case you don't have a hoover handy by you. You just need to do it quick before you've got visitors or whatever. But yeah, here's how you do it. Okay, so this is how you get broken glass off a carpet when you don't have a hoover. I have some newspaper set aside here to put the glass on once we've picked it up. So what you do is you lift the big bits off without cutting yourself. This is light bulb glass, so it's very, very sharp. So you pick all these off. When you're left with your little bits, all you need is this, some masking tape. Masking tape, sellotape, duct tape, whatever tape you want, as long as it's sticky. So, you get your tape, you lay it across your carpet, patting it gently. As you lift that up, the glass sticks to the tape. Can you see where we're going here? So what you do, just tap that, the glass will stick to the tape. Like so. But do be careful when patting it down, because if any of the glass pops through the tape, you will be saying more than ouch, I'm sure. So now we're just down to the last few bits. It's a bit harder. Use the tape. And then when you do have time, you can go over with the hoover just to make sure you've got all the little bits up. There we go. I did nick this bit of carpet off a roll of carpet, so when someone actually unravels it, they'll realise there's a square missing. Right, so there you go. That is how to clean broken glass up on a carpet with no hoover. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps you. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. You guys are really appreciated. Thank you. Bye.